Hey guys, so today I want to bring you another purchase for the 2024 Honda CR-V. It's one of the first purchases I always make with any new vehicle I get. Do a great job of protecting things, and it'll just make cleaning your car all that much easier as well. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So I just got these floor liners from Lasfit. Now you see me demo these before in a lot of the vehicles. They make them for almost every vehicle out there. They're great quality mat. They have high walls on them, which I really like. And they have a nice texture too, so they're not slippery. So here's the back row here. They really grip to the carpet. Like I said, you see how they're molded up. They even go up on the carpet here. So when you get in and out of the back, it'll protect the carpet. And they're custom fit, like I said, so they fit perfectly. They'll cover all the areas. Really nice. And your feet won't be slipping on them like some of those cheap plasticky ones too. And that's why I really like these ones, just because they're great quality. They're not going to break the bank. And they hold up really well in time. I've had them on previous vehicles and they do a great job. So let me go ahead and install them and I'll show you exactly how they look inside the car. So here's the driver's side. As you can see, it comes up, covers that little piece of carpet here, covers the dead pedal and goes up nice and deep under the pedals. And that's where a lot of them fall short. And it uses the OEM retaining clips, which is very important, and even has a lip on the back. So if you're spilling something, it'll protect your carpet. It'll do a great job. And then we got the back ones here. As you can see, it covers the hump really well. Goes around the seat belt. It's really nice. And any creases you see will come out. You just leave it in your car or leave it out in the sun, it'll be fine. But I like this. Like I said, especially if you have kids, it's nice to have something like this so it'll protect it. When you spill stuff, you go to the snow, it'll really protect the carpet. Then here's the passenger side, same thing. Nice fit. Even has instructions here. It'll tell you about it. About how if there's a crease in them, just leave them out and it'll all flatten out, which is true with all these mats. So don't be alarmed if there is a crease. Like I said, I just put it in the car and then the car gets so hot inside, they'll flatten out in a couple days. But I really like these. Like I said, I've always liked the Lasfit products. They work really well. They have great customer service if you have any problems. They always stand behind them as well. And like I said, it's not going to break the bank. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll put a link in the description for these. And they make a lot of different products too. I also picked up one of their cargo liners as well. I'll be showing you in the next video. That works really well to go along with these mats. And they actually have it in a kit if you want to get the floor liners and the mat. Saves you a little bit, or you can just do them separately, whatever you guys want to do. But I'll be sharing that with you next week. Like I said, it's important to protect your car, especially the carpets. If you ever spill anything on them, it's very hard to get the carpets clean without tearing the carpets up because they are really thin material. So I always tell people, just protect it right from the start and you'll be good to go. Okay? So again, I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope that'll help some of you guys out. I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.